You know what time it is. Time for some lightning hockey on this Saturday night. I hope you guys are ready. I need to wake up first. This type of games always worry me because we just dominated the team 5-0. I mean, we completely dominated the game. We kicked their ass. So now we're coming off of that. So I don't know. It's always a worrisome game afterwards because you're like, can they do it again? Are they gonna be tired? Are they gonna be overconfident? You know, this, that, and the other. So I don't know. We'll see. We will see.